pennies. They used to rattle around in your piggy bank, disappear between the couch cushions, and show up on sidewalks everywhere. Now, somehow the cheapest coin that we make has become too expensive, and as a result, the United States has stopped minting them. Now, pennies are so ordinary these days that most people don't even stop on the sidewalk to pick them up, right? You find them in drawers and cup holders. I even knew a guy who would throw his change away. So, to understand how we actually got to this position, we have to go back. For most of American history, the penny was solid copper, a real metal coin with real value, cheap to make, durable, and useful. It was a symbol of thrift, savings, and everyday transactions. But the world changed. By the late 20th century, the price of copper started rising, so suddenly the metal inside the coin was worth more than the coin itself. So in 1982, the US Mint made a decision that would quietly shape the future of the penny. Now what they had in the past was a penny that was 95% copper and 5% zinc. And what they did is they swapped the ratios. They had 97.5% zinc now, with a whisper-thin 2.5% copper on the exterior to keep up appearances. Now, changing the composition of the penny was to keep costs down, but of course, things continue to change over time. Since then, the price of raw materials, manufacturing, and labor have continued to go up. So much so that since 2005, the penny has cost more than 1 cent to make. Now, if we actually look at records from 2024 from the US Mint, it actually shows that a penny costs about 3.7 cents to make a single penny, which is crazy. For years now, the US Mint has been making billions of pennies at a loss, wasting millions of taxpayer dollars on a coin that some people don't even care enough about to pick up off the sidewalk. Now, this debate of whether or not pennies are worth making has been raging on for decades, but just recently, the US government has ended the debate, once and for all. In 2025, the United States decided to stop minting new pennies for circulation. Now, this doesn't ban them, they are still legal tender, it's just new ones won't be made. So the ones in current circulation will still be there, it's just over time they will slowly fade away. Now, nothing major will change now that the penny's days are numbered. Many countries have already done it, like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Sweden. And the result? It's surprisingly simple. Cash transactions get rounded to the nearest 5 cents, card and digital transactions stay the same, and prices don't really change. Life moves on. So the penny. It lasted through world wars, depressions, recessions, and every technological advancement from the telegraph to the smartphone. Now, what ended the penny wasn't political or nostalgic. It was math. The numbers didn't add up. The coin that we valued the least, actually we spent the most keeping alive. And with that, I'm Evan, and thanks for watching. If you liked what you just saw, then click on the video here. Also, if you haven't, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos.